From Mumbai University, I welcome all of you, TY BA and BSc Geography student. So, the subject is Environment Geography. The subject which is divided in a 5 unit. So, these are the unit that is Introductions to Environment Geography. Means the topic number 1, which is Environment Geography. I divided this topic which in a 2 parts. Now this is the part first. So introductions to environment geography. Introductions. The environment is a source of life on the earth, and it determines the extensive growth and development of mankind. All its activities all present the world environment. It's often used almost by everybody around us. Television and newspapers are focusing different environment related news regularly. Debate is one as how to protect our environment. Global meets are held regularly to discuss the environment issue. In these chapters, we will study environment geography, its definition, nature, scope, and importance. We will also learn about different natural and man-made factors of environment along with the man-environment relationship. The need and importance of environment geography will also be studied. In the later part of this unit, ecosystem, its meaning, components as well as functions will be learned. After that, we will study about biogeochemical cycle like hydrological, carbon, nitrogen, different types of ecosystem such as forest, grassland, deserts, fresh waters, and marine. An interesting part of the same has also been dealt in a chapter. With the development of modern technology, there is always a growing pressure on environment. The dynamic relationship between man and environment has become the primary concern for everyone for survival of a future generation. So the subject discussion down to age human have learned to exist in a variety of location on the earth. The interaction of human with the environment means the surrounding in this location has often brought major changes in the environment. Some changes were good, some are bad. Many times the bad changes were caused by human mankind. Too much of the changes in the environment by using or observing the natural resources. Every location where the people have lived contain a community of planets, animals, insect and other natural resources. A community of organisms, other natural resources, their influence on each other is called an ecosystem. The plants and animals existing in the ecosystem are those most adapted to the environment. A growth of human population present increasing the environment challenges around the world. The study of environment and ecosystem help us to understanding the dynamic of ecology, environmental science, and conservation management of a natural resources, wildlife and sustainable ecosystem and landscape, so the so that applicable solution can be sought for. So definition of environment geography. The environment geography is a complex of many variables which surround the man as well as living organism. This means the environment includes things or every surrounding us, and these interact. It is an interaction between the living beings, planets and animals and their environment, which include the physical and non-living components like air, river, ocean, on land, mountains, plateaus, etc. It also includes the interaction amongst the living beings. It is living beings. Okay, it is thus a multi-direction system of interaction. The system is made up of living and non-living physical components of the earth. Environment geography, one of the branches of a geography, comes in a part of human geography. The physical geography, although environment geography, is basically the study of environment. It is not a term of as a geography of an environment. This is the branch that terms of environment geography put more stress on the man and environment relationship. Some other disciplines only focus on one or a few of the aspect or environment, while the environment geography deals with the environment and it's a totally and analyze the time-space relationship between man and the environment. On the other hand, it is the study of the systematic description of a different components of environment interactions of the human with these components. A major part of environment geography is the examination of a landform and waterways pattern resulting from the action of the water and streams. This is also referred to the geological crisis as a geomorphology, environment geography, consulting importance set as analytical tools is capable of assuring the impact of the human presence on the environment and measures the result of human activities on the natural landform and the cycle. After analyzing the different aspects, environment geography may be defined as the branch of geography which studied the characteristics, compositions and functions of the different components of the natural environment system, as well as the mutual independence of the different components, various procedures that link the components. Moreover, the interaction of the different components which each others are among themselves and consequently a response the environmental problem in a spatial and temporal context in the terms of geo-ecosystem, as well as the interactions of the technological advance, economics, man and the different components of the natural geo-ecosystem are result modifications and changes in the natural geo-ecosystem, leading the environmental degradation and pollution. The technical and strengthening of the population, control the measures and the management of ecosystem, resources and parts of environment geography. So nature and scope of environment geography. The environment is a very complex in a nature. It's a mixture of the living and non-living components that are interacted to each other yet are independent. The environment is a comprehensive in a nature as an includes every surrounding us. The most important properties of the environment, it is a portion to change the dimensions the both biotic and abiotic components have a position to change. The other characteristic of environment is it lives and its system. The function of environment always follows a systematic order, the heterological cycle, and the best example of the systematic environment. So the scope of environment lies in the components of the environment. However, the alternations brought in components the scope and the witness to increase their necessary protections and sense of the proper utilization. In thus they enable the man to accept his environment responsibilities. The scope of environment geography is immunized environment science and environmental geography, and interdisciplinary branches in the both and the subject, that is the pursuit of the knowledge about the natural world. Systematic try to remain the objective. The study for the environment geography help us to understand how the environment and human society are interacted in the last few decades. There has been a noticeable growth in the area of geography. The human indicated the environment degradation, accretion, environment geography are well associated with the functions of nature. There is also familiarity with the ideas that the humans are a dominated agenda in bringing the changes in a nature. That they realize that it is not possible to understand the environment problem without understanding the physical process and well as to demographic, culture and economic processing. They lead to increase the resources consumptions and waste. Environment geography have spread out along the variety of academic path. This path offer cross manifolds or coverage with those of the other discipline, but it is a very inherent features. Environment geography seeks to integrate and systemize knowledge, and this is it is a strength. To study environment geography in the different manner, environment geography asks to deserve set as a question such as question may be, can the global environment copy the anticipated population growth? The second question, what will be the extent and impact of global warming? Should we protect the tropic forest and why they being destroyed? What causes famine and why do people die from it? So with the growing interdependence of the national around the world and the environment, the role of environment geography and the employment opportunity of the geography will continue to increase. The two areas of the growing rapid at the present. The creating plan of a new jobs are A. Geographical information system, and B. Environmental studies, map and the basic tools. Geographies use the present information. Computers have a visualized map making and place geography on the forefront of a research. Then characteristics involve the toxic waste, air and water pollution, loss of biodiversity, and habits as well as soil erosion. So environment problems have become the concern of the both the geography ordinary citizens. Hence the great care is taken to motions to decide the balance between the nature and the human use the earth. Specifically, the both of the social and natural science are requested to integrate the work of the specialized in the both and the social and the natural science. As a result, the people who are expected to train high-tech subfields such as computer, assess the cartography, remote sensing, GIS have a job or a huge opportunity. Environment geography gives us a special emphasis to how to things interact between the human nature and environment. So the following are the branches of environment geography. Maybe it's maybe hazards, energy resources geography, political and ecology, environment precipitation, system theory, landscape study, maximum environment geography, sustainable environment governance, environment justice. The scope of the environment geography may be grouped into the 9 major subfields. That is the geo-ecosystem or a simple ecosystem as study unit. The function of ecosystem include the circular of the energy and matter and ecosystem productivity, the temporal changes in ecosystem, spatial ecological changes, global environmental problems, economical environmental hazard, disasters, man and environment process, environment degradation and pollution, environment management. So next is the factors of the environment. Environment is a complex phenomena of a different factors which are the protect the focus of the procedure of the natural environment factor can be analyzing the position of the navigatory changes the environment, and they can be natural or caused by outside focused in a compress of a number of the factors that interact with each other in a different way to keep the plants alive and support the life of the earth. Environment factor influence that a living being has several ways organism, and then it take that thing they need for the environment and depend entirely on the environment of their survival. Different living beings live in a different habits due to different in the need of survival. So these are the chart, that is components of the environment. Okay, so environments mainly consist of the atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere, biosphere, but it can be roughly divided into two types of such as micro environment and micro environment. It is also be divided into two other types like physical, human, anthropological. Micro environments refers to an immediate local surrounding of the organization. Macro environment refers to all the physical and biotic conditions that surround the organism externally. So, the factors of environment may broadly be classified as a natural or physical, human or anthropogenic. Physical environment compares of the atmosphere, lithosphere and hydrosphere. The components of the natural environment can be classified into two broad groups: abiotic, abiotic and non-abiotic. Means there is a location, topology, climate, size, shape, coastline, minerals and soils. So biotic living natural vegetation and animals, including the biotic factors or living forms like planets, animal, microorganization, product, consumers, decompose. There is a human or anthropologist factors which is classified as a social and political, economical. Some factors that is natural or physical. Abiotic and non-living components are there. The abiotic and non-living components are those of physical and chemical factors which influence the life of the living beings. These are the elements of living ecosystem that affect the valuability of the system to growth or survival, but which themselves are not biotic in a nature and include in the common conditions such as temperature, airflow, available lights and the inorganic components of a soil. More broadband and abiotic factors than that can influence include the location, topology, climate, size, shape, coastline, minerals and size. The abiotic components are described below, that is the location. Location location is the main factor as influence the human activities. These are the two types of location, via absolute location and relative location. Absolute location means it's referred to the actual location on the earth surface respect to the geographical coordination in a term of latitudes and longitudes. Relative location can be defined as a location with the reflect or a reference point. The references may be natural or man-made. So the topological and physiological factors, that is the altitude, direction of a mountain chain and valleys, and then the steepness and exposure of slopes. Climate factors include the human, sunlight and factors involving the climate such as light, temperature, water, rainfall, humidity, atmospheric gases, that is the wind. Size and shape of the country. The country vary. There is a shape, size. Some of the continents are the large, like USA, Canada, Russia, and they can enjoy their large amount of resources. Smaller countries like Japan, Sri Lanka have a limited in the resources utilization. Shape of the countries may be engaged with the components. Coastline. The nature of the coastline also plays an important roles of trade. Is depends on the water waves, depends on the port, harbor and interaction. Trades depends on the nature and coastline. Mineral is a natural occurring the chemical components and abiotic in a organized. It is a use from the crystalline form. The soil factors include the soil and geographic of the lands. This deals with the formation of the soil. It is a physical and chemical proportion and deals of the related aspect. Soil can be defined as organic and inorganic material on the surface of the earth that provide the medium of the plant of the growth. Soil develop slowly over the time, and it's composed of all different material. Then the biotic factors are all of living things in an ecosystem, such as the plants and animals. These living things interact with one another in the many ways. These are the stored into the three groups: product and consumption of the hydroxymics and discomponents and determine. These are the discussed under products. Products are authorized covered energy into the food, some using photosystem, all plants such as grass and trees. These organisms absorb the sun energy and converts the energy into the food of themselves, allowing this the growth large, making flowers and seeds, etc. For example, there are so many examples: balls, moss, bamboos, banana trees, cotton grass, fruit trees like lemon, orange, apple, Indian rice grass, and then uh, consumers also call the heterophilically really upon the products of a food. These organism, mostly animal, its product which is eaten by the animal, and other animal this may be also eat the decomposer to explain of the consumers are deer eat the plants and wolves eat the animals. Consumers that only eat the plants and offer known as a primary consumers. Decomposer also call determines break down the chemical from the consumers and product into a simple forest, and that use again decompose, break down the dead material such as flint trees into the soil, return the natural to the soil, so they can be reused by products or certain foods. And examples of a decomposer in a mushroom: man-made or human anthropogenic environment. The man can modify the surrounding according to his wants. They have developed some environment components using their intelligence, knowledge, skill, and power. This environment are also follows the social. The social culture environment include the pollution with the culture norms, demographic information, and relation information. A variety of brief consumer particulars behavior existing within the population and consider a part of its. Then the political environment includes the state of government and its institute and logistics as a public and private stakeholders. When the operate that and interact with the influencing that system, the government plays a significant role of the economic development of the country. Different government system and followed by the different countries. Economic is the different between the environment like socialism and many others the following in the different countries. So these are the first part of the topic, and in a second part we will see the relationship between the man and environment. So thank you for watching this video.